We already know so much about ourselves. So the other person only needs to know what they want and need to premium just a girl who loves her cat shirt. Being a contractor though, there's probably a lot of instances where they need to know something. I'm guessing, haha, but I just mean in normal convo. Don't I know it? 40 years in the trades. There is a fair amount of theater involved. You have to get the customer to premium just a girl who loves her cat shirt, tank top, V-neck, sweatshirt and hoodie, hoodie, premium just a girl who loves her cat shirt, sweatshirt, tank top, V-neck. Didn't pay off as a supervisor. But once I became a manager and was in charge of hiring and disciplinary meetings, I've discovered that just not saying anything can pay off so well. And not just with premium just a girl who loves her cat shirt, but with customers too. If someone is complaining, sometimes they just need to vent, and afterward, you can have a calmer discussion. It's way too easy for me to steer conversations. But just other product.